Hello? Is this on? Oh, hi everybody. Today um today we are going to be drawing, but with my hand, and I don't usually draw this. Okay. I'm drawing with it right now. Okay. Kitty Kit, pink haired girl, Jake, and Red is not here. um um We're just gonna look through Kitty Kit's flip-a-clip. Do you wanna see something cool? Look it. I can draw on back of it. Hold on. This is cool. This is not how to draw it. That's a big no-no. And but just sit there, wait, that you do draw. This is not how to draw it. Now, how you do draw it. Now, oh no, how you do draw it is right here. If you want to know how to do that, I'm going to show you. Okay, let's just do this. Rainbow. Awesomeness. 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 Let's go blue. So then you want to go to 100 for this one. And you want to do this. Well, if you want to, you can make it bigger. Okay, then you want to go back to all the way down to 0. Make sure it's the box. It has to be like that. Then you trace the box with your thing. Then you want to make it super big. And then you want to make 2 layers. And you want to splash white on. You want to make that 0. And then you can start drawing. So I'm going to draw me, my best friend, Kitty Kit, and me. I wanted to make a Q&A, but I don't know what the password is to Kitty Kit's computer. Let's just draw a heart, 'cause I'm a lovable dog. What about Kitty Dog? That's not how I draw. Kitty Kit showed me how she draws. This is how I draw. I use a circle to draw because I like it. It's fun. That's why you don't have to do stupid head shapes. I told Kitty Kid to do that. Because to her, head shapes are too hard to do. A new frame. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, today, this video was gonna be called How to Draw Like a Pupper Dog. Okay, let's start. This is how to draw like a pupper dog. Anyways, you're saying I'm a boy. Please, if this channel grows bigger, don't try to date me. I'm already with Pineapple Kitty Cat. This is how to draw like a pupper dog. First, you gotta use a circle too, because that's how I draw. Then, you want to do your character. I'm gonna draw Kitty Cat. Then, you want to do your ears. Then, you want to do your ears. Then your hair, whatever you have. Then you want to do your eyes. Then the hands. And then, I don't draw shoulders. And then I usually color the neck what color I use. But today I'll just do this for you guys. And then you want to come here. You want to get this color. You want to do this and that and flash publicity focus. There you go. That's Kitty Cat. Tail. You can do the tail. You can do anything as long as you're not copying. To make something. You got this, and then you want to make it bigger. Strawberry dog, we're home. Oh no! I need it. What do I do? What do I do? Just gotta hide it. What do I do? Hi, kitty cat. What's up? Nothing. Have you seen my phone? No, I haven't seen it. Okay. Well, can you tell me when you see it? Oh, okay. Bye. Get out of my room now. Get out of my room now. Okay.